Nice to meet you again. Hello. So kids, can you guess today's topic? Yes, come on. Tell me. Yes, correct answer. Today's topic is insects. These are insects. Do you know, children, what is insect? Can you tell me? Okay, I will tell you. An insect is a small animal. So children, let's learn more about them. Kids, an insect is a small animal. Now we will learn some of the insects. So let's see. Okay, this is a cockroach. What is this, children? See with me. This is a cockroach. Cockroaches have a flat oval body that is black or brown. So they are quite large. We can say these cockroaches are large in size. This is a housefly, children. Have you seen, children? Yes, we can see everywhere. This is a housefly and we can see it in this slaty shape, children. Hana? Black and white, like that we can see it. Kids, can you tell me which insect is this? Yes, excellent. This is a mosquito. This is a mosquito. Repeat with me, children. This is a mosquito. They are mostly gray in color, children. So, mosquitoes can spread malaria. It is very dangerous, you know, malaria disease. Okay, they bite us. This is an ant. Say with me. This is an ant. Ants are hard-working children. Most ants are red or black. Okay, children. They also bite us. What is this, children? This is an ant. Nice now, children. Yes, this is a honeybee. This is a honeybee, kids. Do you know, children? Honeybees are in different colors. We can see them in different colors. Usually oval shaped. You can see the shape, children. Oval shaped. This is a ladybug. Say with me, children. This is a ladybug. Mostly we can see a ladybug in red and with black spots. Ladybugs are found in small size. And do you know, children? The ladybug has an oval shaped body. Have you ever seen a spider, children? Yes, so this is a spider. Say with me, this is a spider. It is also seen on the walls, inside and outside the house. We can see them mostly in small sizes. Say with me, children. This is a spider. Yes. This is a caterpillar. Say with me, children. This is a caterpillar. The caterpillars are mostly found on leaves, children. And do you know, children, caterpillars transforms body, turns into a beautiful, do you know, बटरफ्लाई. यस, कैटरपिलर से क्या बन जाती है? बटरफ्लाई. सो चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज ए बटरफ्लाई. इट इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल insect, children. Do you like it? Yes, I like it very much. This is my favorite insect. This is a butterfly. Say with me. This is a butterfly and this is a caterpillar. So children, butterfly has many different colors. We can see them in different colors and sizes. So children, can you tell me where is butterfly? Is this a butterfly? No. Is this a butterfly? No. Yes, this is a butterfly. Say with me, this is a butterfly. So kids, do you remember which insect is this? Yes, good job. This is a mosquito. So children, today we will be talking about insects and their body parts. So children, you can see it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs, and this is hat. 2 eyes, children, and 2 wings. It has pair of antenna. Kids, this is an ant. Yes, you can see face, children. This is head, 2 eyes, and legs. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs, children. So kids, and pair of antenna. You know, children, it has 6 legs. Do you know, children, ants don't have ears. This is a housefly, children. Say with me, this is a housefly. We can see houseflies everywhere, children. So kids, flies also have a pair of wings. You can see these wings, children. Okay, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs. Eyes, children, head, and you can see here these eyes, children. Okay, they have also pair of antenna. This is a butterfly. Say with me, this is a butterfly. So kids, as you know, butterflies are very beautiful. So you can see pair of antenna, wings, and this is middle part of this, its body. So children, eyes you can see. Okay, and children, these wings are so beautiful. Say with me, this is a butterfly. Children, insects can fly with the help of their wings. These are wings. You can see, children? Yes. This is a spider. Yes. Now children, you can see the body of spider. Okay, you can see eyes here. And do you know children, spiders have 8 legs. Okay children. Now you can see it has 8 legs. Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do we have 8 legs children? How many legs we have? Yes, only 2 legs. Do we have wings children? No, we don't have wings. This is a caterpillar. Children, say with me. This is a caterpillar. The caterpillar has these small parts, you can see children, and many legs. Not 6, 4, 8, but it has many legs. 2 eyes children, pair of antenna. Do we have many legs? No. Do we have antenna? Do you have? No, we don't have. This is a ladybug. Say with me, this is a ladybug. So kids, this is a head. These are eyes, pair of antenna. And how many legs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 legs. And children, these are very beautiful spots. It has black spots. Do we have black spots on our body? No, we don't have. Oh, so kids, you can see the body of cockroach. So you can see this is head and 2 wings. The help of the wings they can fly, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs and pair of antenna. This is a honeybee children. You can see beautiful face of it, 2 eyes, pair of antenna, and these are wings, and this is middle part of the body. So children, you can see the color of it.
Okay children, now we will make caterpillar with the help of Play-Doh. Okay children, so I am using 4 colors in a Play-Doh to make a caterpillar. So now we will start the video and we will make the caterpillar. So for caterpillar I will take yellow and green color to make the body of the caterpillar. Okay, and I will be using orange also to make the body of the caterpillar, and this I will use to make the antenna of caterpillar. So first we will take orange color Play-Doh and we will make a ball type. Okay, so we will make a round shape of the Play-Doh and we will keep it like this. Then we will take green color Play-Doh. Okay, so we will make it round like this and we will put it together with the orange color. Okay, now next we will take yellow color Play-Doh and we will make round shape again. So you can see I've made the round shape. Now we will keep it with the green color. Okay children, now the rest of the Play-Doh orange we will keep it in a same pattern as this. So we will keep orange, green and yellow. So if you don't have a Play-Doh, you can use atta and you can add color to it to make it colorful. Okay, so this will be the body of the caterpillar. Okay, so now for the eyes we will use purple color Play-Doh and we will make the eyes of the caterpillar. So we will take two small round shape of the Play-Doh and we will put it here and we will press it little to make the eyes. Okay, so this will be the eyes of the caterpillar. And now to make the antenna, we will take the purple color again and we will take small amount each and we will make it this way and we will put it here. Okay, so one will be here and then we will take the next one and we will make it in the same shape and we will put it here. Okay, so this will be the antenna of the caterpillar and this will be the eyes. Now you can see our caterpillar is ready. I hope you've liked this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.